Shaktivel, VAO, Senmede, Sambat Kumar, VAO, Rasangapalayam, Tamil Chelvan, Village Assistant, Thiru Ramachandran, Assistant District Election Officer, Thirumadi Revati, Block Development Officer Superintendent, Thiru S. Sendal Kumar, Assistant Executive Engineer, N. Jayakumar, Block Development Officer, Thiru I. Sikandar Basha, Block Development Officer, Thiru P. Ashok Kumar, Assistant Engineer, Thirumadi K. Amuda, Overseas, Thiru S. Sadish Kumar, Deputy BDO, Thiru C. K. Vikas, Junior Assistant, Thiru G. S. Money, Office Assistant, Coimbatore City Municipal Corporation, Dr. V. Vidya, Medical Officer, Dr. M. Hari, Medical Officer, Mrs. Maithili, Headmistress Corporation Middle School, Mr. S. K. Ganagaraj, Assistant Executive Engineer, Mr. C. Muralidharan, Junior Engineer, Coimbatore City Municipal Corporation, Mr. K. Ranjan, Bill Collector, Mr. N. Murugesan, Sanitary Inspector, Mr. A. Saravanan, Sanitary Supervisor, Mrs. Chitra, Contract Sanitary Supervisor, Mrs. Rajeshwari, Contract Cleanliness Worker, Mrs. S. Tangabalan, Junior Assistant, AD Town Panchayat, Mrs. M. Mala, Executive Officer, Thiru P. Gunasegaran, Junior Engineer, Thirumadi Prema Vasanthi, Junior Assistant, Thiru R. Pradeep Kumar, Sanitary Inspector, Thiru C. Murali Krishnan, Cleanliness Worker, Thiru C. Vijay Kumar, Cleanliness Worker, Thiru S. Shaktivel, Cleanliness Worker, Thiru R. Vijay Kumar, Cleanliness Worker, Thiru R. Selvaraj, Cleanliness Worker, Thiru K. Ganesan, Cleanliness Worker. Assistant Director Survey, P. Arun Kumar, முதுநிலை ஆய்வாளர் இரா சாந்தி, கண்காணிப்பாளர் லோகநாதன், வட்டத்துணை ஆய்வாளர் விஜயன், உரிமம் பெற்ற நில அளவர் ஜெயகாந்தன், சாய் ஆய்வாளர், CEO கோயம்புத்தூர், S. Socrates, HM, GHSS வெள்ளியங்காடு, B. சாவித்.